welcome to the Atlanta Gateway Marriott Hotel here in Atlanta, Georgia. Thanks to LATAM canceling my flight, I will be stranded here for exactly 1 day. It's not the worst place to be for a day, so I'm not too angry about the entire situation, but here we are. Let me just get started with the review here. So this is a standard double room with 2 double beds. First impressions, it smells pretty nice in here. It's relatively clean, I would say. I did check the bed here for any bed bugs. Doesn't seem to be any, so that's always nice to see. I guess we can start off with the entrance here. We have the door, as well as a closet here. It's got a little mirror, and it's got an ironing board as well as an iron. And we have some hooks or hangers here for your clothes. So pretty standard. Okay. Moving on to the bathroom, pretty normal, nothing too fancy here. Just have the shower, a few soaps, got the toilet, a few towels, and we got a standard sink. They don't provide any toiletries such as toothbrushes and toothpaste, so a bit unfortunate, but pretty standard nowadays for the hotels that are based in the United States. Moving on, we have the coffee maker. Have some, I guess, little items here. Got the cup and a few different types of tea and coffee. And we have a little mini fridge here as well. Looks relatively clean. Got a mirror and a little bench looking thing to store your luggage. Here we have the beds again, relatively nice. The charging area, the phone that connects you to the front desk. The TV surprisingly nice as well. It's a nice LG TV, doesn't look too outdated. That's always nice to see. Got some water bottles. A little work area if you need to get some work done. Pretty standard. Got a little chair here, and the view is, well, not great, but it's not what we're here for, so it's okay. But that pretty much sums up the hotel review for the Atlanta Airport Marriott Gateway Hotel here in Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you.